Hello everyone, welcome to Active Foundation. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about the bootstrap concept. So bootstrap is like a framework of CSS and HTML, and it's have their own classes. Like in the CSS, like what we have learned about the styling part, we have to do the customization. Everything like whatever we have to assign it, we have to write the particular property and value for that. But in the bootstrap, you don't need to write the style that much. There are some already pre-built classes are there, pre-designed classes are there. Just you have to call the classes for everything like typography, forms, button, table, navigation, drop downs, alert, model, and many things. Okay, as well as some JavaScript extensions are there. So with the help of these type of things, you can create your layout more smoothly and very easily. And you don't need to spend much time like that comparing to the CSS and HTML. So what are the advantages of Bootstrap? So it takes lots of like you save lots of time because whenever you are doing the customization part, it takes lots of time, right? But here you don't need to do the customization part, so it will not take that much time. So we'll see in the practical way also. The second thing is like a responsive features. So see in the CSS, like everything, like whenever you want to design a page, it should be responsive for mobile or desktop view or laptop view or any tab view. So you have to write many media queries for the particular screen, right? And here you don't need to write the media queries for the in the Bootstrap, okay? And consistent designing and is very easy to use and is compatible with all the browsers. And the most important thing, like it is open source, means it is a free and it is very easy to use. Let me show you like how we can download the Bootstrap and how we can use. And it is like it is depend upon the grid model. So for example, like we have different type of screens are there, and according to the screen we have to write the classes. For like column space column here, we don't have to mention anything, it is used for extra small. Then we have a column sm, it is used for small screen. Then md for medium, then lg for the large screen, and xl for extra large screen. So here you can see here every row is divided into 12 columns. It means I will show you the simple example here. So it's saying like one row it is divided into 12 columns, right? So now I want only two columns. What I have to do? I have to take the two columns only. Then here what I have to add for two columns? Just we have to write the like earlier like 12. So here I have to write the column 6. Then if I need only 3 columns, how I can write column 4, because 4 into 3 is 12. Then I need 4 columns. Then I have to write the column 3. Means how many times I have to write? 1, 2, 3, 4. Means 3 into 4 equals to 12 columns. Right? Like this way you can use the grid model. So don't worry about that. We'll see in the practical way also. And let's come to like how we can download the Bootstrap. So we have official website of Bootstrap. If you click on the search in the Google, this is the official website getbootstrap.com. Just you have to click on this website. Then you have to click on the download. Then again click on the download. And in that you can see it is downloading. So once we download, just move this into our bootstrap folder, okay, and you have to right click and extract this zip file. So now you can see the ready-made things are here, css and javascript files. So just copy paste and don't require all these things. So in the next class we'll see like how we can use the bootstrap classes, okay, with like more examples. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. If you have any questions or queries, please email us, comment in the particular video. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and do like and share our videos. Thank you, everyone.